Noodle, you have a boyfriend? You don't have a boyfriend? Why? Why you don't have a boyfriend? Oh no! You need a boyfriend? Noodle is looking for a boyfriend? Huh? Wow! Why you don't have a boyfriend? You're so pretty. Why? I love you, Noodle. I love you, baby girl. I love you. Wow, malungkot, wala siyang boyfriend. Ganito pala, pag walang boyfriend, nakakalungkot. Ay, no boyfriend.